sprinkled with a bit of angel dust. The first fresh cut of grass, a homemade maple tap, a mix of everything that I love. If I could bottle you up, you'd be one of a kind, the best I'll ever find. Always making something out of nothing much. Oh, you're everything I need. You're the promise that I keep. Don't think that I could ever get enough. If I could bottle you up. Not a single drop would be left in my cup. Oh, if I could bottle you up, you'd be like roses in the spring, the smell of rain that it brings, sprinkled with a bit of angel dust. And I know you feel the way I imagine every day, a mix of everything that I love. If I could bottle you up, oh, if I could bottle you up.